We will learn how to design a gaming thumbnail for your YouTube channel in Photoshop. To create a gaming thumbnail, you need a game background, catchy title, good font, color theming, highlight info, action lines, game character, game prop, effects, a software, and a little bit of skills. By combining all these things, you can make a good gaming thumbnail. So let's get started. Create a new file in Photoshop, set the size 1280 in width and 720 in height. The value should be in pixel. This is actually the standard size for YouTube thumbnail. Resolution will be 72. Click OK. First we will drag the game background. I'm making a theme of PUBG game, that's why I already downloaded the resources for it. You can easily find the content online. Scale it and place it in center. Now we will add the color theming to this background. Add the adjustment layer of gradient fill. I'm making a gradient of blue and purple. Set style to angle and value will be 30. We will drag the gradient center to the bottom center. Click OK. And set the layer mode to color burn. Now our theming is applied on the background. Let's add the character. Scale it up and place it on the right. Remember to use the same character of the game you are playing. Now drag the action lines. If you want to download this image, the link is in the description. Hit enter and set the layer mode to overlay. Move the character layer to the top. Now by just adding these action lines, it's already looking good. Let's add some text. And we are using Catchy Title. This is a free font and you can use it commercially. The download link is in the description. Set the font color white to get more contrast. Place it on the left. Right click on text layer and make a duplicate layer. Move it down and type 1 versus 100. To add more focus, we will change its color to yellow. Let's decrease this font. Now we will add the prop. I'm using a skull because it's related to kills. If it's something related to fighting, like we can use a gun or an aeroplane, depends on the theming we are targeting. Now right click on text layer, open blending option, take on stroke, set the value 8, we will give a stroke of black color. Now while holding Alt or option, drag the effect on second text layer. Adjust the placement of text and prop. Now the text is looking a lot more prominent than before. Let's add some effect to the prop. Right click, open the blending option, add a stroke of red color, set the value 8. Now click on outer glow. We are using red color. Increase the size, set the blend mode to normal and increase the spread. Click OK. Now add a new layer right above the prop layer. Take the brush tool. We will add red light inside the skull's eye. It looks a lot more alive now. Now while holding Alt or option, drag the text layer and make a copy of it. We will add the highlight info, that is 65 kills. Now take the pen tool and create a shape layer right below the text layer. Change its color to red. Decrease the size of text and shape. Now open the blending option for character. Add stroke. Set the value 10. Stroke color will be white. Add outer glow. Everything looks fine except the size, increase it. Click OK. Now add an adjustment layer of solid color. Set its color to dark purple. Click OK. And layer mode will be color burn. Now select the mask. Take the brush tool. Use the black color and paint over in the mid. Now only the character is looking a little bit dull. Add the adjustment layer of levels. Adjust the mids and the whites. Let's reduce the opacity of solid color to 60. Now our thumbnail is looking pretty awesome. I hope you learned something new. If you do, hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for learning updates. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena. Let's meet on another great tutorial. For the time being, goodbye.